Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina. Miss Cali Cat is sitting over there by the window, but I wanted to open this over here today because I got a box. I got a Sephora box, but there's a story behind this box. As anything, you know, there's got to be a good story. So I did a Hop into Spring collab with some of my good buddies, lovely ladies. If you haven't watched the Hop into Spring collab, go check it out. They were doing a mystery egg. So the Easter Bunny sent everybody an egg, and there was going to be a golden prize egg. Well, wouldn't you know it, I didn't get my egg. It just never showed up in the mail. I even did one of those search things where you look for the egg, and it was the Easter Bunny really lost that egg in the mail. It's just gone. But luckily, the Wicked Awesome ladies over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles were prepared for this. And in their prize egg, they had a Sephora gift card. So my golden egg, which I absolutely knew I was going to get, and I was teasing with Lady Lori at Beauty Over 50 that I knew I was going to get that golden egg, and I was right. It just never showed up. So that's what I get for teasing, is I didn't get my egg. But I still did get to use the gift certificate because she had it printed off. She had it on an email. So Sephora gift card for $20, and I'm going to show you what I got from Sephora from my golden egg from the Hop into Spring collab. Of course, anytime you order anything from Sephora, you can get free samples. So, you know, I had to do that too. So, let's get the box out of the way and I can show you. So, I have everybody's got like that holy grail product, the one they reach for more than anything. This is my holy grail eyeliner. I only tightline, y'all. I just tightline because I've got hooded eyes. I don't like to have a lot up here because I lose lid space. So this Hourglass is what I use, what I love. And that's what I ordered with my $20 gift card I got from my golden egg. Yay! I'm so excited I won. Can you tell? This is a 1.5 millimeter mechanical gel eyeliner. Now, I've already put my eyeliner on for today, but I'm still going to show you this Hourglass. I love this stuff. I've already used an entire tube. All right, y'all. For me, using up the entire tube is something I normally don't do, especially with eyeliners, because I try so many. This one, I went through it. I love it. It is called Obsidian. And look, can y'all even see the tip? It is so tiny. It's just, you just click it barely up. I hope y'all can see that. It is just a teeny tiny wee bitty thing up there. So, and that's why I love it. It just makes this teeny tiny dark line right there. I love it. Love it. But I just, you know, am very sparse with it because $20. I wanted to get the value pack, and I actually had it in my cart because Sephora does have a value pack. You can get 3 of them for $50. And I'd had it in my cart for a while, and I was kind of just waiting because, you know, finances. But this is what I got with my golden egg prize. Thank you, Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. I love y'all. I hope you're feeling better, Sherry. Really, I hope you have a great vacation, Erica. Now we're going to see the samples I got with it because, you know, you got to show the samples. Samples are just as important. This is one of the samples I got. This is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I have heard so many amazing things about this Milk Primer. Never actually used it. So I thought, I want to see what it's all about. So this is when you get the full-size product. The full-sized product is $36, and I'm going to try it out. They have a few different sizes, a 1.52 ounce, a 5.28 ounce, and a 0.33 ounce, which is a mini size. So you got a few different price levels. The 36 is the 1.52, $65 is the 5.28, which I think a lot of people do get that because they love it. And $18 for the 0.33. So go to your Sephora, get a sample, see if you want to actually pay the price for it. Anyway, moving on, the next sample I got is another brand that you hear a lot about, One Size. And this is the Turn Up the Base Buttermilk Concealer. Haven't tried this one yet either. I have a few, wait, have I? I do have a One Size concealer. Yes, I actually do have I've got it. I didn't even realize it was the same thing. But this is actually going to be good because it will help me decide which color I should be getting. What do I have? What do I have right now? Light 1R. So I'll get to try those out and see which one I think looks best on my skin, because girls are so bad at color matching. And y'all, I cheat. The darker colors, I use them to contour, to bronze, different things. I don't let these things go to waste. I'm kind of picky about that. I like to use everything I have. It may take me a while, but I'm gonna get through it. So what do y'all think of what I won and the extras I got from Sephora? Do you like them? Have you tried them? I'll show you this one since I'm not gonna open that, but I can at least show you that color concealer. What do we think? So y'all, don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Go subscribe to the other ladies. I know that the giveaway is already over for our Hop Into Spring collab, but go watch the videos, see what everybody got. You know, it's fun. We have fun. We love you. Subscribe, share, save, whatever you want to do. Press the notification bell. Give it a heart if this is on TikTok, wherever it is. Yeah, I was talking about YouTube before, but I do TikTok too. So, don't forget to press the notification bell. Also, let you know what's going on the channel. Thank you so very much for spending time with me. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.